Hi, welcome to math today. Let's get our hundredths chart and let's practice counting by twos, okay? Today's Wednesday and it's the 11th and we're gonna practice counting by twos. So when we count by twos, we skip the first number and we start at 2. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Go ahead and count by twos by yourself. Okay, very good. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna try something new and something a little different. Instead of doing the worksheet together, I want you to do the worksheet by yourself, okay? So I want you to push pause on this video and I want you to fill out this page by yourself. After you do that, we're going to correct it together and then you can fill in the ones that you don't know or cross off the ones and fix the ones that you got wrong, okay? So push pause and do this. Remember, every time you see a +1, you're just gonna do one more, okay? So like the first one would be 4 + 1 = 5, because 4 + 1 more is 5. Go ahead, push pause and do the worksheet. Okay, after you did the worksheet, now we're gonna correct it together. So we're gonna do the same thing yesterday, like we did yesterday, where we pretended to be the teacher, but instead of it being somebody else's, today it's yours. So you're gonna correct your own. So we're gonna say them together, and if you get it wrong, it's okay, no worries, just slash it, make a mark through it, and write the correct number. If you skipped one because you didn't know it, then you can fill in the right number, okay? All right, here we go. 4 + 1 = 5. 1 + 1 = 2. Ew. 7 + 1 = 8. 5 + 1 = 6. 8 + 1 = 9. Go ahead, make sure you have all those ones correct. Next row, 1 + 3 = 4. 1 + 9 = 10. 1 + 2 = 3. 1 + 6 = 7. 1 + 0 = 1. Okay, now the doubles for the next two rows. Go ahead and check those if you need to. The next two rows, starting right here at 4 + 4. Ready? 4 + 4 = 8. That's great. 6 + 6 = 12. That's swell. 9 + 9 = 18. Jelly bean. 3 + 3 = 6. Kicks. 1 + 1 = 2. Ew. Next row. 8 + 8 = 16. That's keen. 2 + 2 = 4. More. 7 + 7 = 14. Lean. 0 + 0 = 0. Oh. 5 + 5 = 10. Again. All right, so any that you got wrong, just go ahead and fix those. And then we'll move on to our second part of our math worksheet. Let's see. Let me look at something really fast. Okay, we're gonna start writing the date at the top of our worksheets now. So, today is what, Wednesday? So the date, okay, so your name, the date goes like this. We are in the 11th month because November is month number 11 of the years. Okay, so you're gonna do an 11, then you'll do a little dash. Now we're gonna put the day of the month, which it's also the 11th. So you're gonna do another 11. So 11 for November, 11 for the day of the month, and then you'll do another little dash, and it's the year 2020, so you'll put 2020. This is important, but we're going to keep practicing it, so if you don't know what all this means right now, that's just fine. And it's the day of the week. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay? You can ask your mom. Wednesday, I think I spelled that right. You can ask your mom or your dad to help you write Wednesday. If you want to just write a W for today, because it's Wednesday, that's fine. Okay, trace the number 37. What number is it? 37. Okay, ready? Halfway around and around again. Slide to the right and then slide down to make the number 37. Halfway around and around again. Slide to the right and then slant down to make the number 37. I did a quick one right here. Let's do one more. Halfway around and around again. Slide to the right and then slant down to make the number 37. Okay, number 2, Jessica had a bag of 9 marbles. Let's try 9 marbles. Oh no, she dropped the bag and a marble rolled out. Cross one off. Draw a picture and write a number sentence of how many marbles are in the bag now. Now this is tricky because we're not adding, we're taking something away because we crossed it off. So when we do a number sentence with subtraction or takeaway, this is how we do it. You start with how many we did first. So how many marbles did we draw all together? 9, right? And then 1 went away. So do a little dash for minus or take away. And 1 rolled away. How many are left now? So we had 9. 1 rolled away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many marbles are in the bag now? 8. All right, number 3, we're going to be doing height. Remember, height is how tall or how short something is. So when we look at these little rectangles right here, we're going to look for the tallest, and then the second tallest, and the third tallest. Okay, so the first one says color the tallest tower red. So grab your red and find the one that's the very tallest. Which one goes up the very highest? See this one right here, the first one? It's higher than any of the others, so color that first one red. After that one, which one's the next tallest? The next tallest. You can use your finger to kind of go up, and then if they get see how they're all covered except for one sticking out? That's the next tallest right here, okay? Because that one's the next one, tallest after the red one. That one needs to be yellow. So the next tallest, you can color yellow. Okay. Now, the first one is the tallest. The fourth one is the second tallest. Now it says color the shortest tower blue. The shortest tower blue. You know what shortest means? Smallest. So the one that's the smallest, color blue. Okay, and then which one's the second shortest? The second shortest one needs to be green. So not the very shortest, but the next one up. Okay, so this one's the shortest. So between this one and this one, which one's shorter between these two? That would be the second shortest. The very last one, right? That one needs to be green. Then with your orange crayon, you can color the third shortest. So this one's the shortest. This one's the next shortest up. Then this one's the next shortest. So third shortest. First, second, third. And that one should be orange. Okay, nice work. Look at those towers. Love it. Okay, number 4, let's write them together. Remember, if it's +1, it's just the next one in line. in order. Okay. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 5 plus 0. Oh no, if we have 5 of something and we don't add anything to it, so we have 5 things and we add nothing to it, we still have 5 things. 1 plus 5, so if you have 5 things and you add 1 thing to it, what's next in order? 6. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 8 plus 8 equals 16, that's keen. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And 9 plus 0 equals 9. Excuse me. Okay, parents, if you are listening to this, so we're doing 3 different kinds of math facts. The first is doubles, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. The next is plus 1, and then the next is plus 0. So when you're at home practicing these things, if you can kind of distinguish between the 3 different kinds of math problems, that would be great. So good practice with plus 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, and then good practice with plus 1 will be super helpful as we move forward. Okay, thanks.